Hello there, today we're gonna be taking a quick look on Dlink 605L Wi-Fi router. So let's get started. This is the best budget router you can get under 1500 Indian rupees, which comes from a reliable brand. And if you want to check or buy this router, you can find the link in the description below. Inside of the box, firstly you get a quick installation guide and some paperwork. After that, you get a pamphlet of CCTV cameras made by Dlink which are compatible with this router. And next, you have the router itself. It is fairly lightweight and nicely built, and it doesn't feel cheap from any perspective. The antennas are a bit bigger than expected, but they does help in providing wider range of network. Next, you have the warranty certificate, Ethernet cable, and lastly the power adapter. Okay, let's take a look at the router itself. In the top front, you can see the Dlink logo, and at the bottom right, it says My Dlink enabled, which means that you can operate this router via My Dlink app, which is available in Play Store. Below that, there are a bunch of icons related to the functions like power, internet, WPS, Wi-Fi, and LAN connections. One good thing is this router has blinking LEDs. Unlike the LEDs on other routers with the same price, doesn't have blinking LEDs. On the top, it has 4 output ports and 1 internet port along with power in, and on the right end, it has a hole to reset. On the right side of the router, you have a WPS push button. The Wi-Fi range is good and can cover up to 150 meters without any hassle. So that's it for the video guys, thanks for watching. Do give a thumbs up if you like it. Make sure to hit the subscribe button for more upcoming videos. This has been Sayed Zafar, see you soon. Until then, take care.
You